Hey guys, it's Stephanie Joplin here in LA off Melrose at the Alen M salon. He's gonna be doing my hair today with the American Influencer Award Beauty Bundle featuring authentic beauty concept, and he's gonna be using it on me today. Let's go. You guys, I'm obsessed with this shampoo. It feels so good on my head. I mean, so do Alan's fingers, but it smells amazing and I can't wait to see the results. So next, Alan's using the Hydrate Conditioner on me. It's vegan and cruelty-free. It brings back elasticity to the hair and also adds shine and bounce. This mask is deeply hydrating, so it brings back that bounce and elasticity without weighing you down. So we just got done shampooing and conditioning with the Hydrate Cleanser and Conditioner, and now we're gonna use the Hydrate Lotion to help prevent blow dry damage and prevent frizz. The blow dry primer is the perfect foundation for a solid blow dry. It can handle up to 450 degrees in heat. It's free from microplastics, mineral oils, parabens, and silicones. Alan just finished styling my hair and it looks, feels, smells amazing. I am shook. If you want to subscribe and use these products as well at home, head on over to AIABeautyBundle.com.